So how does Workfeed work? Well, let's jump in. With a few clicks, you can create your first shifts, then copy-paste or drag and drop them until the schedule looks something like this. Want to insert the same shifts into the following week? No problem. Simply save it as a template. Now that's done, let's assign employees to the shifts. One click on Auto Assign will do just that. Well, Auto Assign automatically assigns your employees to the shifts by looking at their availability, roles, and more. After a quick review, you can click Publish to share the shifts with your team. In case you need to make changes to the schedule, affected employees are kept in the loop, making confusion a thing of the past. Shift swapping makes things easy for your employees, allowing them to swap shifts without friction. We'll make sure to keep you updated on changes. You can also ask them to clock in for their shift using the time clock. All working hours are automatically tracked in the time tracking overview. At the end of the pay period, you can send all the hours directly to your payroll provider with a single click of a button. That all? Not quite. You'll also be able to communicate with your team, sign and store employment contracts, collect employee feedback with shift scores, compare employee performance, view sales and labor costs in real time, and, of course, integrate Workfeed to your favorite tools for payroll, POS, and table booking. Sound like music to your ears? Try Workfeed for free for 14 days and experience it for yourself.